understanding safety whistle, an essential phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, safety whistle. This might sound simple, but it's a phrase that carries significant meaning and is very useful in various contexts. Let's dive in and understand what a safety whistle is all about. A safety whistle is a small, often portable device used for attracting attention in emergencies. It's a tool designed to produce a loud, piercing sound that can be heard over long distances. The purpose of a safety whistle is to alert others, especially in situations where someone might be in danger or need help. Safety whistles are crucial in many scenarios. They are commonly used in outdoor activities, like hiking or camping, where they can signal for help if someone is lost or injured. Personal safety, as a deterrent against attackers in urban environments. Water safety, for swimmers or divers to signal for assistance. Understanding the importance of a safety whistle is essential for safety awareness. The term, safety whistle, is also used metaphorically in everyday language. For example, our new policy acts as a safety whistle against unfair practices in the workplace. Having a friend with you late at night is like carrying a safety whistle. That's all about the phrase, safety whistle. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds to your understanding of English phrases used in safety contexts. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but understanding their deeper meaning and application. Stay safe and keep learning.